I'm camping at this beautiful state park with my family, having a great time. But the question always arises, what's for supper? Well, I had the insight before leaving home to grab one of my great dinner affair meals out of the freezer and put it in our cooler. And it's thawed overnight, just like it would in the refrigerator, so it's ready to go. There's the linguine in here and the chicken, all the sauces, everything that I need, all the spices. I didn't have to bring all that stuff. It's all in one package, ready to go. It took about 10 minutes at the dinner fair location to put it all together. And now it's ready to start cooking. Come back and watch my family and I enjoy it. You smell it? We got the chicken cooking here. I know it's making all of our neighbors jealous because we got a gourmet meal going while we're camping. Got the marinara sauce in there. Cooking the linguine in here. Smells so good. What a treat. Supper's ready. Great portions for our family. Pass me your plate.
Have some more.